Hi guys, welcome back to another AI tutorial video brought to you by Advertising is Simple. In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to an AI tool called Udio. Udio allows users to create music from basic text prompts by specifying topics, genres, and other descriptors, which are then transformed into professional quality tracks. Udio gives anyone with a tune, some lyrics, or even a funny idea a way to express themselves in music. So let's dive into Udio together, where I will give you a quick guide on how to use the platform. This is the Udio platform. It is currently in a beta version, so it is free to create an account. All you'll need is to log in with your Gmail. You can see that it provides staff picks, what music is currently trending on the platform. You can go through top categories and so on. Let's dive in and create our own song. Here is where you will create your track. All you'll need to do is just type a description of what you like to create in the prompt box and then click create. For example, let's generate a song about a sunny day at the beach spent with family and friends. Now I'm going to pick a suggested tag, which I'll choose country, and then modern country, and then click create. It will generate 2 track options which you can choose from, so let's give them a listen.
With our feet in the sand, feel the waves, laughing loud as the children will play. Hearts as warm as this sun on our face, gather round in this beachy embrace. Stay on this sunny side, this golden sunny side. Laugh on the sunny side of the shore.
You can also create a custom option where you write your own lyrics, and you can choose an instrumental version or an auto-generated version. If you're not sure what to type, try clicking on that dice icon next to the create button to populate the prompt box with a random example prompt. To see all the tracks you've created, go to My Creations, and they will all be populated there. You can remix the song, extend the length of the song, because they are all in 33 seconds. You can publish it, like it, add to playlists, share, download, delete. And that's a wrap for this tutorial video on Udio AI. Stay tuned for next month's video on trending AI marketing tools.